What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today's a beautiful day, 67 degrees, and I'm finishing up AJ's challenge, starting seeds in a cardboard box. He had it going on for the month of April. Today's April 30th, so here's my results. Here's the radishes. They were from Gurneys. They were the watermelon radish. I'm actually going to do a quick short as soon as this is finished, showing how to properly space and thin them. But I'm pretty happy with the results. I believe I planted 5 by 5, so it looks like maybe there's 2 in here, 3, 4, maybe 5 didn't sprout out of all of them. As you can see, this I did have a little kind of blowout, so I had to tape up the box. Cardboard and the weather don't mix too well. But I'm very happy with the results, and I started this challenge a little late. It was April 6th when I started it. So here's the end of the challenge. Thanks for doing this, AJ, and kind of showing people you can grow in cardboard if needed, or start your seed. Just getting your seed started is a big goal and a big plus. So thank you for doing this, and I'm glad you had some participants in there. I'm going to put the hashtag cardboard after, so if you guys type that in, you can see the other people that were involved in this challenge. Well, thanks for coming along and checking this out, everybody. Have a great day.